Nilutas mo ang aking mga suliranin.
We are in Eden Nature and Resort up in the mountains. It looks like Baguio. Video. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda-ganda. It's beautiful here and it's lovely climate. It's cool. It's a nice escape from the hot Davao City weather. Look at the plants. Look at that. And this is me.
Hanging maitim ang nasa bayan, likha ng usok sa pagawaan. Ito'y di mo masilayan, dito sa bundok at kabukiran. Punong kawayan ang aking nakikita, buhay ng karamihay sa kanya gumagaya. Titiyak kung saan pupunta, bawat galaw hangin ang nagdadala. Oh hangin, pinayama mo ang aking damdamin. Oh hangin, nilutas mo ang aking mga suliranin. Aking himig, inyong maririnig sa hangin na nasa paligid. Kasabay sa ibong nagliliparan at kaluskos ng dahon sa palayan. Buhay ko'y katulad niya, kung saan napupunta. Dahil sa hilig na aking dala at sa hawak kong gitara. Oh hangin, pinayama mo ang aking damdamin.
Durian tree up there. And there's pomelo as well.
Halika, kuha lang kita. Dali.
Teka. Binibideo ko siya. And there's the pine tree. Imported from Baguio.
May nakuha siyang mangosteen.
And this is a mangosteen tree.
This is a mangosteen.
Yes.
Akala ko wala pa nakukuha. Oh, thank you.
The Semili, our guide, and that. And that's mangosteen. That's how it looks. And this is the santol tree. This is the fruit that caused my mother's death. And we are in Lola's Garden in Eden Nature Resort. And going there. Okay. There. Nature Resort. And there are lots of different varieties of hibiscus. There are some tourists there. I'm going through a little veggie garden with those bamboo trees over there. And this is broad beans. And this at the ridge, it's overlooking Davao. It's over there. And those are like plant a little bit a patch of dragon fruit plants, and there's the bow over there. And that's a buffalo. Filipinos call it carabao. And there's Ella walking with Emily, our guide. Look, here's a guava tree. A guava tree. Lots of guavas. Lots of guavas here. Here's guava. And this is me.
Ako'y may dala-dalang balita galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi.
Sky riding in Eden Nature and Resort. There.
Ayan o, baka. Ayan, tumatay. Mataas yung sipay, mataas yung
There they go. And Karla is going to do the sky riding too. No, but not the. I don't know what it is she's going to do. We'll see. And this is the rest of the games area. There's the Indiana Jones area. This is the place. And there's Davao at the bottom there. And this is me. There is Karla. There you go, Karla. Good. There she goes.
Ang mga kwento at mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa lupang pinangako. Ang lupang pinanggalingan ko'y may bahid ng dugo. May mga lorong di makalipan na sa hawlang ginto. May mga punong walang dahon, mga